Welcome to Shorthand Study Classes. Get ready for the transcription. Start. Sir, I have been hearing the members' views about electoral reforms based on the resolution moved by the Honorable Member. Stop. Basically, this resolution deals with the postponement of elections by the Election Commission during the recent elections. Stop. From the postponement of these elections, the mover of the resolution suggests that we should go in for electoral reforms. Stop. The other members who have spoken have also given some valuable suggestions for the proposed electoral reforms. Stop. We from the Congress Party are committed for electoral reforms which will enable the voter to reflect his views and elect proper candidates who he would like to get into power. Stop. I agree with some of the suggestions made by the honorable members. Stop. From the days we have seen a number of elections. Stop. Broadly, except one or two elections, the choice of our voters has been correct. Stop. They have been choosing the right party which did good to the people. Stop. Most of them are poor, but still they have been going in the right direction. Stop. Democracy in the country has been established and is going to continue in this country. Stop. But from the experience from the elections to election, we have to think of some changes so that the will of the people will prevail. Stop. Para change, we have just now heard Mr. Subramaniam Swamy how there was a postponement in the last election when Shri Rajiv Gandhi was murdered. Stop. There was a dispute about the period of nearly 20 days postponement. Stop. It looked as if it was like a second election. Stop. In 3 days, some of us have faced 3 elections which we cannot afford. Mr. Subramaniam Swamy explained. Stop. Perhaps a member in the same cabinet was responsible who did not know the facts. Stop. The effect of postponement has to be studied in the election. Stop. The first postponement after the death of Shri Rajiv Gandhi was from the 26th to 11th 12th, 16th. Stop. Some people feel that the Punjab elections should not have been postponed or that the Election Commission has arbitrarily done it. Stop, sir. The Election Commission feels that the decision was taken by the Commission independent of any extraneous influence on the basis of the information available to it and in the possession of the Commission in the interest of the security of so many people. Stop. They feel that they should not reveal the reports they have received. Stop.